Hey guys, welcome to Jen's Creativity Corner. Today I'm going to do a video that is kicking off a series of videos that I'm going to be doing this entire year. So as you can tell by the title and thumbnail, we are making a year-round holiday tree. Now normally I would call it a Christmas tree because I get it out for Christmas, but this year I decided with a roommate that we are going to decorate it for the entire year. So that'll be a little more interesting come summertime. Got some ideas going, but the first holiday is New Year's Eve. I didn't have time to film this and get it out to you before New Year's, so this is something you can look at for next year. But let me show you the decorations that I added, that I made, and maybe give you a little inspiration. Of course, the first thing we have to do is undecorate the Christmas tree. So kept it pretty simple this year, just a little silver and red theme. I wanted to go with gold, silver, and black. I already had silver on there, so I left all that on there. Then I got these cute little butterflies from Walmart, Christmas clearance. I have these black ribbons, just a little demonstration on how to make bows that are not so awkward. So it's not like how you tie your shoes, you loop them together. I don't know. You can watch it in a slower speed if you need to, but makes a really cute, nice little bow. Have slanted ends there at the end of the ribbon. Then I've got some cardstock, cut out a circle, and got myself a little Sharpie. And obviously New Year's, it's about a countdown, it's about time. So making a clock, and thought it'd be fun to make different variations. So you'll see here the different kinds I made. This is another one because, I mean, let's be honest, a lot of us use digital clocks nowadays. And I wasn't really happy with the spacing, so I decided to trim it up a little bit more, re-add the border. Next up, I've got this 2020. It didn't look so weird in person, I think just the angle of it. But I've got this glitter tape, cardstock, traced myself the year, and I have this nice little tool kit. If you are looking for any supplies, please do check out my Amazon shop down below. It's an affiliate shop, so it does help me to run this channel. And that way it saves you a trip to the craft store if you don't have some of these supplies. So this one just took more time than I would say any of the other things, but I liked the bling, the applicable year, so I thought it was worth the time. So in addition, I've got this holographic kind of foil tape stuff. So just experimenting with different things. And again, cardstock markers, that's in Polish. So then it was time to redecorate or finish the tree up. I'd love to know what you think. Is this something that you would try? What other decorations would you do? Like, I think there could be a lot of fun things from the Dollar Tree or elsewhere, but it's a balance of how much time and effort you're willing to put into it, how much money you're willing to put into it, and how nice you want it to look, or what your style is. Like, I didn't want anything that looked too cheap or too gaudy or too overcrowded. Just nice and clean and simple, but very easily noticeable what the theme is. So anyway, stay tuned. Next holiday coming up is going to be Valentine's. So it will be a Valentine's Day tree. Stay tuned, subscribe, and we will see you next time. Toodles.